a line on the other side. So right here. Now that we have our measurement, we can start cutting. Now we have the scissors, but make sure an adult is with you because there's a hot glue gun and you have to be safe. So only an adult can use this. A smaller piece now, and it's because my friend cutted it, so she's a pretty good cutter. So okay guys, we're gonna fold it a hot dog style, so like this, and we're gonna go like this, and the next step is up. Okay guys, we're gonna fold it where we had our line, and then we're gonna see this, you guys see this part? We're gonna fold it like this, and we're gonna pull it a little, and then we make a little rectangle. Guys, we're gonna fold it in half again, but shorter into a square. So we also made an extra piece. It's a little piece because this is gonna be like the center of the bow. Okay guys, we're gonna put this on the side and we're gonna focus on this. So first we're gonna go like this, and then we are gonna do the same thing. Then we're gonna flatten it, because then we have to, I think we have to hot glue it, but I don't know yet. Okay guys, we're gonna unfold it, and okay guys, we're gonna, you see this line right here, we're gonna grab this carefully and go like this, and then we're gonna grab these two corners, go like this, and then we're gonna press it down. Guys, you have to make sure, it's very hard to remember that you have to make sure that they're equal. So like, I think these are equal and these are equal. Okay guys, we're gonna put hot glue right here and right here, but I'm not gonna do it, my friend is gonna do it. Okay, now my friend is gonna do an accordion to look like a bow. You have to have a parent, I'm not kidding. Or a teenager. Brother or sister, ages 13 and up, I guess. You guys might hear noises is because Mr. Pico, he been on YouTube channel too. He's famous, guys. Don't mind him. You might see. Okay guys. See? Yeah. Okay guys, my friend now is gonna put the center and put a dot of hot glue on bow and put the center on. Make sure you clean your bow if it gets dirty of hot glue. If it dries of hot glue, a kid can take it off or a parent can too. Okay, now we're gonna wrap it around, but my friend is gonna do it because I'm
put glue on this dot right here.
If you're a parent, make sure you have to be careful, because my dad once got burned by hot glue. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. If you go down, you'll see it. And I hope you guys enjoy. Bye!